You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this pizza recipe. If you want to learn more pizza names and Italian cuisine, stay tuned. You can skip to the end of the video. We've got them all there for you, waiting for you. Pizza, that's obviously how you say pizza in Italian. Pizza diavola, diavola. Stress on this first A, diavola. Pizza diavola. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say pizza diavola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.